So today we're going to be reviewing Japan candy box. I have been doing this for years and I have tried every Japanese snack under the sun. You can see how thick it made me. So this time I am making my wonderful adopted daughters, Sanja and Marina.
This one is Marina.
I'm the other one.
So today's twist will actually be that we won't be seeing what we're eating, but we will be guessing what we're eating because we'll be blindfolded.
But you're not allowed to
I'm not looking.
You're not allowed to look in the box.
I'm not looking. You're pulling out the candy.
Should I put it on? That's what she said.
Yes.
Okay, so the first thing I'll need to open it because I'm not letting a blind person open.
I'm not sure what that is.
Me neither. Okay.
In my little hands. Ah! Peace. Oh, that's salty. That's salty.
Okay, can you guess what it is? Cause
it's a chips.
No.
It's not a chips. So the guy tastes exactly like chips.
Can you try to figure out the texture with your tongue?
Yes. Don't chew it yet.
Okay. Wait.
Pick another one.
Give me.
I was gonna figure it actually.
It's like sesame.
Okay. Leave it on your tongue for a second before you bite it. Try to figure out what it is.
I'm enjoying it. It's like sesame.
Actually, it's condensed noodles.
Seriously? Oh, that tastes amazing.
I hope
This one she's gonna love it. Okay,
wait, give me one.
I think I can smell what it is.
Oh.
It smells. Oh, this is a gummy, okay. Maybe lime? Yeah, I think this is lime or lemon.
Hey, you guessed
it's actually 3 flavors of shaved ice cream. I know this one. I have tried it many times.
You want me to feed her?
Wait. I need to be a beauty blogger.
It's a family-friendly channel, Marina.
It's not a thing.
It's a Christian channel.
Family picture.
I love this. I think she's gonna love it too.
Wait. Oh! Oh, is this one of those?
Yes.
Is it strawberry?
Oh, look, it's a waffle filled with cream, right?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a waffle ice cream imitation.
Oh, that's amazing.
I actually think this is the best Japanese candy box I ever had.
Oh! I know that, I ate that.
Aha! It is probably a salty by the texture.
Yeah.
Is it like chicken seasoning flavor?
No, it's Sapporo potato chip barbecue flavor. I love this very much.
Are you a beauty blogger?
I'm a beauty blogger!
I guess it's candy and it's sweet since it's cute. Chocolate filled.
Is it?
Koala's March Biscuit soft ice cream flavor.
It is. Oh, it's so delicious.
Limited edition treats. It does taste like vanilla ice cream. It's really good.
Oh dear, powdery.
Open wide.
I'm just gonna
pour it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Pop rock.
Pop rocks, yes. I think this flavor is also very good when it's done by the Japanese.
Bubble. Is that? Oh, that's bubble gum.
No, it's not.
No way.
Oh wow, the texture though. Can you guess the taste? Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah. I think is a promising because this is my favorite Japanese flavor.
Okay. It's bubblegum.
Yeah.
And the flavor is cold. I don't know, it has a slight cooling effect. But
oh, it is. The flavor is super cool bubblegum.
I was gonna call it penguin balls before.
Do not.
Christian channel. Speaking of favorite childhood flavors, this was my favorite childhood treat.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, I remember something along those lines here.
What do? We do step Okay, so step.
It's one of those mixed things.
Step.
No.
Okay.
Step 1. Okay.
Yeah.
And then step 2. I'm gonna make a mess. I'm so sorry.
I think you did it good. Okay.
Okay.
I'm afraid. Should I be afraid?
Yeah. Okay.
Just open wide.
Bite.
It's like
Oh,
this.
it's just questions, and then you have answers at the bottom.
Are you
What?
kidding me?
Yeah, it's like little.
Are
Pop
they all
quiz.
different?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Pop quiz.
Yeah, I'll be
So
careful.
the last tidbit is something I have saved
Oh!
for the end because I think it's going to be delicious.
One of the big time.
Oh no.
Oh no, I remember
Oh,
that
no.
you hated those. I'm sorry.
Same. I thought that's tragic, actually.
Sort of tragic.
It's not that bad. Actually,
My mom loves these. I never understood.
I love these.
I actually hate them, but this is actually pretty good.
Never.
It's
It's not, the mint is not that
it's not that strong. It's
chocolate mint.
yeah, mint chocolate. Yeah.
Mint chocolate, which is like brushing your teeth and eating chocolate at the
But
same
the mint
time.
is not that strong.
I'm sorry. As always, when I do these kinds of unboxings, you guys can follow a link down below under this video and get the Rafflecopter link to have a chance to win your own Japanese candy box. So hurry up downstairs and check out the link.
I'll be in the other room if anybody needs me.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you would like to learn how to draw manga, please check out my book Manga Crash Course, available in 4 different languages, as well as my latest book Manga Crash Course Fantasy.